Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Here's why I am the best moderator inside of Globe Tag's history.
I'm reporting you for touching. You touching stuff. I'm reporting you for touching.
See, I'm really interested to join TTT, but I just feel like I'm not good enough. Also, I'm actually very good. This game. I have the moderator stick. So I've got TTT's numbers. But my biggest goal, since I have these numbers, I could try to get to the tutorial. I don't want it. You're just running after him. I'm right behind you.
But don't.
And I'm not the growing bannable. Yes, it is.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I was right there. Oh,
What did I do?
Why are you hard for me?
You're my hostage. She's purple.
Let's go. Oh god! Help me! Help me now! I'll scream as loud as I can. No, I control.
Okay. Magic sword.
Don't you dare come for me again.
Magic sword. Magic sword. Magic sword. Magic sword. I feel like I'm bigger than that. Honestly, not explain. Oh.
I'm about to get tortured. How dare you tag me?
Check out these custom things. Hey, I want to eat you. Come on. I want to get eaten.
Oh my god, I'm gonna tag him, please. I'm getting tired.
Come here. You're my brother. Remember? You're my dad. Come on, Dad.
No, he tried to cut me off.
Hey.
I did.
These are very good.
I'm just kidding. J-Man Curly.
J-Man Curly, player tracking isn't fixed.
What reflected, bro? Bro, you're not J-Man Curly.
Oh my god.
J-Man Curly, player tracking. Oh, down here you're cooked, buddy. Oh no. Oh my god, I missed. I'm not.
You know I'm behind you, right?
Can't have said that, buddy.
Just go up and get him out.
You're not that guy, pal.
Go up and get him, and he's going to jump down, and I'm going to get him. Go.
Come on. It's fine. Oh my god. Get over here.
He's going to go into another branch.
Oh my god, I missed. Oh my god. I'm so sweaty. I'm freaking so sweaty. So sweaty.
I should be in TTT. Look at this. Oh.
Bro, I'm freaking so sweaty. Bro, help. I got.
I fall down.
Bro, I can't tag you. You know that? Oh my god! Oh my arms are so bad. Oh my god. I swear. I know this.
TTT.
Oh!
If you've seen this video,
No,
whoever made me, if anyone on TTT made me the moderator.
Please. Oh my god.
I want to get the tutorials.
Oh my god.
Hey!
Give me red.
Bumbleclaws.
This is Bumbleclaws. Oh, I need to come on, man. You don't have to do this today. how to do this shit, man. You know this, man. You know how to do this shit,
Bomba
man.
clubs.
And he's behind you. My controller.
Wait, what did I do? What did I do again? Nothing.
You're being my son. I taught you every skill in Gorilla Tag just on your dad, bro.
No.
Oh god, no. Bumbleclaw.
Bumbleclaws. Unicorn. Yuli.
Me Bumble.
I let him tag me.
Bumble mama.
Bomba clubs. Bomba clubs. Bomba clubs.
See, I taught you how to say that word. Game bleeds.
No, you did not.
Oh god.
Come here,
I'm
son.
your dad, so I taught you everything, bro.
No, the only thing you taught me is to be stupid.
Chicken jockey. Chicken.
Yes.
Ooh.
Yes, guess what he said? He said, the chicken jockeys.
The chicken jockeys say chicken jockey. Why you can't do that?
You suck my booty deep down.
Son?
No.
Son.
Yes, son?
I did not teach you how to say that.
Aw. Okay, Daddy, let me suck your ballsies.
No, I didn't teach you that. Okay, you're getting that. Okay.
Come here.
I'm recording. No. I got that on recording.
Okay.
I got that. Son, stay over there. Stay over there, son. Son?
I'm a monkey. Ooh, ah, 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 ah. Ooh, ah, 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 ah. Ooh, ah, 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 ah.
Why?
Ooh, ah,
Son,
ah,
you have to go
ah,
get the milk.
ah. Ooh, ah, 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 ah. Ooh, ah, ah, ah. You see, ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah.
Bye. Don't leave them. Son, you're not coming though, son. Damn. Okay, bye. Pretend we were sleeping still. Pretty good. Put my sons to sleep. What do I do now?
Out the window.
You're supposed to be asleep. I am.
Out the
I just
window.
blew one of my controllers on accident. Son! Stop that.
I'm gonna join a code. My code.
Join the code, guys.
Yeah, guys, join a code IP. That's my fan code.
Oh no, on casual.
No, why?
God, just Sigma.
Okay,
No,
so
on
join code
casual.
IP.
On casual.
IP enter. Player track. I'm player tracking somebody. Head on.
Bumbleclat.
Head on,
Wait,
guys.
why are we all the same color? Hold up. Look at that. Look at it.
Hold on, guys. I'm
Here,
player
hold on,
tracking
guys.
somebody.
Oh, my mom. Hold on, I have an idea. Hold on. You two? Wait, hold on. Let's do the Spider-Man thing. We all point at each other.
Wait, turn into the color black. Turn into this color.
We're gonna point at each other. I don't want to. I'm in the clan. I can't. I'm in the clan. Alright. Y'all not see these rings? Y'all see these rings? No, not you. You're not the same as us, bro. Not you. Y'all see these rings? No, not oh, I got jump scares.
Keep this song. This song is fire.
He just disappeared and came back.
Let's go. Let's jam.
Wait, can I be in? Placeholder name. What is that? Placeholder name. He's 3 balls. I mean, your hands are balls. Your hands are balls. So get away from me, ball head.
Everybody. When I turn the music
You're made out
on,
of balls. Get away from me.
everybody. When I turn the music on, you go crazy. Okay, guys.
Get away from me, you balls.
Guys. When I turn the music on, you go crazy. Okay, guys.
Okay. Why are you 3 balls?
Music. Pay my bills.
What the heck?
Pay my bills.
Why is somebody named money sign BSU? Money.
Why is there so many of them?
Why?
It's a ghost.
Bro, why is there so many?
Dude, tell us.
It's a ghost because he has balls. Run, guys. And it's
Run from the balls. Run to city. Run from the balls.
Run from the balls. Everybody escape from the balls.
We can sit in the mirror, guys. Sit in the mirror. Guys, sit in the mirror. We can look at
Oh
ourselves.
my god, the balls are here.
Where?
The balls are here. Oh my god. Right here.
A ball.
Guys, go here. Third floor, guys. No, go to mountains.
Mountains.
I'm sure they won't get us in early. Yeah, because it's slippery. Guys, we have to stay together. Come on.
We don't
Come
know
down.
what balls are.
Guys, we had to walk back upstairs because the balls might be here. Where the balls at? Are the balls here?
I don't think they're going to follow us.
Are they? No, the balls are not here. Oh, you got it. Wait, are the balls still over there? No, the balls are not here. Yay, we survived the balls. I have. Dance party.
I like this song.
Wait, can we do a role play?
Yeah. Sure.
Can we do a role play? Can I be the killer because I have this?
Oh, yeah. Hey, friend. Hey, who are you?
Hi, guys. We pretend I was your friend.
Hi, friend.
Where's food? Where's food? Show me food. Where's food? Where's food? Where's food? Where's food? Follow me.
Food. Where's my food? Food.
This right here. Oh, food.
Wait, no. This is plastic. Are you trying to kill me?
Kill me, this is plastic.
Kill him. Ban him with the stick.
You were trying to poison me with plastic.
Kill him, he's gonna run.
You get second chance. If you don't show us where food is, we will kill you.
Yes, with the stick.
Okay, I'll give you food. A candy cane. What? This is a toy. No, it's not. No, it's
Get
not.
him.
No, it's not.
Get him.
No, it's
Get
not.
him.
No, it's not. Get him. I'll give you one. Can you give me one?
Get him.
One more thing. And then we're going to food.
Where's our food?
Here. Up
Where's
here.
our food? Where's my
This is real food, a pineapple. Pineapple. Oh, this is real food. Thank you.
Friend, help me. Friend, it's plastic.
What's that?
Where's
What?
food?
Oh, no, not me.
Where's food?
Where's food? Where's food?
I can do it. I can do it. Wait. I know how to do it. I know how to
Where's food? Where's food? Where's food? Where's food?
Where is food?
No, it's like this. No, it's like this, guys.
Where's food?
Wait, no, don't read it. Where is food?
No,
You gotta
no,
be flying to do it. You gotta be flying.
no, guys, it's like no, guys, it's like this.
You need flying and you need flying and no clip on.
I know.
Guys, we need to do the role play, guys. Guys, let's start the role play. Do one action. Wait, you're the main character. You're like the.
Hold on, let me turn off the music. Let me turn off the music. Let me turn off the music.
And then
I'm coming back.
So you're the killer then.
The main character is the killer.
No, actually, you can be like
I'm back.
the mom or dad. No, you can be the mom and then you can be the dad and then I can be the sibling.
The killer.
I want to be the killer. I want to be the killer.
Wait, I have the icicle. Can you have the icicle? Well, can I have?
Can I pick it up?
How'd you guys get an icicle?
Little so fast.
Where'd you guys get the icicle from?
It is, but I didn't get it from over there, but it just spawned in my inventory. I'm not lying. It spawned in my inventory like Minecraft.
No, not the popsicle. It's
It's right here, icicle.
It's the icicle.
Icicle.
You have to restart your game.
Why?
You have to restart your game.
Okay, who's the killer though? Who's the killer?
Wait.
Who's the killer? Who's the
Wait,
killer?
I'm the killer. I'm the killer. I'm the killer.
Like,
I'm
bro,
the killer.
you said I should be the killer, so I'm the killer, bro.
No, I didn't. I want to be the killer now.
But you told me to be the killer, so I'm the killer. You lost your chance.
Okay, fine.
It's my time to shine, bro. Cause the main character is the killer.
I'll be the sibling then, and you guys be the mom and dad. You'll be the mom and you'll be the dad. Oh, me? No,
Oh, I wanna be
you
the dad.
Okay, you be the dad. And you be the
Dude,
mom.
yeah, you
And
said
I'll be
you were the
And I'll
killer.
be the sibling.
No, we need a dad and a mom too, bro. But
I know you're
like,
mom. You're the mom, and I'm the dad.
No, I'm dead.
Dude,
He
why
said
do you
I'm
want
dead. You're
everything now? You're so greedy.
Bro, he said I'm dad, bro.
Dude, you can't. No, he said I'm dad, and then you're the mom, and then you said, "Oh, I want to be dad."
No.
Don't ask us this.
No, you are the mom. You are the mom. You go crazy, and then you. Because we
Do you
live in
think I can
our
lick
dad.
this whole icicle off my hand?
Okay.
Bum bum dee 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 dee.
I'm licking the icicle. I'm trying to melt it.
Guys, I'm taller than all of you.
What'd you say?
I'm taller than all of you.
Bro, we're literally the same height, bro. My controller just got pushed. Wow. Oh, wait.
I'm way bigger. Are you on your tippy toes?
No, I'm standing up. Straight. Oh!
Do you have Panimal Company?
Animal Company?
Yeah,
The other
Panimal
guy
Company.
left. I'm leaving.
Why?
Because I am Steve.
Can I have your icicle?
No.
I want to be in you.
Pause. No Diddy. I'm doing the whiskey just to let you know.
You're so tiny. I need to take my turd. Gorillas gotta take their turds.
You're gay. I know it.
Every gorilla has to take a turd.
Yeah, I'm living.
Do you like my thing? My mod? Player track thing? Anyways, that's why I should be a moderator. Please subscribe.
You should be